साळगांव थंयच्या कोयर प्रकल्पाचेर आयिल्ल्या भाराक लागून तापपाक लागला। कानोळी, साळपे, कळंगूट, साळगांव वाठारांत प्रकल्पांतलें बुरशें उदक वचून झरी, बांयो पेड्ड्यार जाल्यात। विविध पंचायतींची कागाळी आयल्या उपरांत मडगांवचो कोयर डायवर्ट केला अशें वेवस्थापन मंडळान सांगलें। प्रकल्पाक घेवन एक जोड बसका जाली। मडगांव, मुरगांव आनी फोंडेच्यान सुमार 50 टन कोयर साळगांवच्या प्लांटार येता। ताचे दुश्परिणाम दिसपाक लागल्यात अश्यो कागाळी आयल्यो। वातावरण तापलें। त्या संदर्भात मायकल लोबो, केदार नायक, कळंगूट पंचायतीचो सरपंच, पंच, कानोळी पंचायत मंडळ आनी कोयर वेवस्थापन मंडळाची बसका जाली। दक्षिणेंतलो कोयर हाडपाचेर सध्या तरी बंदी घातिल्ल्याचो निर्णय घेतला अशें कोयर वेवस्थापन मंडळाचो वेवस्थापक लेविसन मार्टिन्सान सांगलें।
Of Saligao and Kalangut, along with sarpanchas, panchas of all neighboring villages which are captive to this plant for waste management had come here. They had issues that their garbage vehicles are kept in the queue for a long time, and so they wanted to streamline that. So we'll try to streamline and stagger them at the time, and we're giving them various timings. Afternoon there were some issues because big panchayats have got 5-6 trips, so that we have to see how best we can reschedule it, and then within that time, maybe 6 or up to 7 o'clock, how to give them slots. Other issues, they were seeing some smell and all is there in the evening time, that we are going to monitor. In fact, I told them to go around. Now it's almost 6 o'clock. I had asked them to go around the plant and have a look if there is any smell as of now. So that is one issue, but we'll still look into that. And other issue, they are saying sewerage. So there are a lot of sewerage trucks. You can see there. So there are possibilities that the trucks could be releasing sewerage here, and they are just parked just outside our premises. So the pollution board will be asked to monitor them and then find out from where they are coming, where they are operating, their sewage trucks, from where they do collect, and then where they are disposing that sewerage. Because one sewerage truck we had caught in the evening time discharging sewerage outside our gate only. This is last year. This kind of Madgaonchi garbage, I mean, we have already diverted now to Afara.
तो ऑलरेडी भितर येतालो न्हू, घेताले तुमी?
घेताली, but there was a code direction also.
आणि हांगा आमकां ऑलरेडी तेंच्यांनी अश्योर केला की फर्स्ट ऑनवर्ड्स अप्रॉक्सिमेटली 20 टन्स ऑफ गार्बेज संसड्या वयली येताली, दॅट इज डायवर्टेड टू काकोरा प्लांट, एंड इन नियर फ्युचर विदीन फ्यू वीक्स उरलेली मार्मागोवा जी येता आनी पोंडाची जी येता ती हांगा स्टॉप जातली, कित्याक ह्या गार्बेज हांगा येवन हो प्लांट बर्डन जालेलो आसा। आनी फुडें आतां जेन्ना आमचें सिजन स्टार्ट जातलें आनी कोस्टल गार्बेज जी आसा ती एडिशनल हांगा येवपाक लागतली, तेन्ना हे म्हणजे प्लांट सामको डिस्टेबलायज जावपाचे चान्सीस भरपूर आशिल्ले। सो नाव गोवा वेस्ट मॅनेजमेंट प्लान, दे assured us that this will be stopped.
Especially points as far as the road which is so narrow, coming from Saligao 4 roads up to the garbage treatment plant, where on the same road the entire industrial estate is working, where there are 12 टायरांच्यो गाडयो इंडस्ट्रियल एस्टेटीन येतात, 10 tires, 12 tires, 14 tires. So it becomes very, very difficult to commute over there, to bring the trucks in, to bring the trucks out. The locals are having problem.
Goa365 खातीर नितीक्षा गांवकार आनी निखिल जल्मी।